Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best drain cleaning hook is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any household, designed to tackle those stubborn clogs that disrupt your daily life and cause immense frustration, offering a simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution to restore your plumbing's functionality without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive professional services, making it a must-have for every homeowner seeking a quick fix. Number 5. FlexiSnake Drain Weasel Hair Clog Remover Kit. Tired of stubborn hair clogs? Our patented microhook technology grabs and removes hair, grime, and debris quickly, without any tools or harsh chemicals. Its easy-to-use handle spins to lock onto clogs and pull them out in seconds. Say goodbye to plumbers and messy cleanups. This kit comes with 5 disposable microhook wands and a reusable handle for multiple uses. It's designed for convenience and repeated effectiveness. It's ideal for sinks, shower drains, bathtubs, and grates. Its thin design works in nearly every drain in your home. This manual tool eliminates the need for caustic chemicals. It's a safer option for your pipes and the environment. Proudly made in the USA by a family-owned business. We focus on durable, high-quality products for everyone. What we like. This tool features patented microhook technology that effectively grabs and removes hair and debris. Its 360 degrees rotating handle design makes it incredibly easy to use, locking onto clogs and pulling them out in seconds. If you're looking for a quick, mess-free solution for common shower and tub clogs and prefer disposable options, this is a great choice. What people say. It pulls out a huge amount of hair and grime. It's perfect for homeowners and renters as well. This product is fast, virtually stand, doesn't stink, really pulls the hair out and costs less than use, plus you don't risk damaging your pipes with caustic chemicals. This product is highly recommended. Worked when liquids failed. Tub had 2 of water and endless liquid clog products. Baking soda and white vinegar did not work. This thing poked it just 6 down and it pulled out a clog. Drain fine now. Very easy to use. Each wand is reusable, so I cleaned the main bathroom sink drain first, wiping away hair and muck after each pass until nothing really came out of the drain. Done. It's sucking in water now like it's been drifting in the desert for half a decade. Amazing. Number 4. Forlivese 25-inch Drain Snake, 4-pack. Are you struggling with stubborn clogs in your sinks, tubs, or toilets? Introducing a simple and effective solution designed to tackle everyday drain blockages with ease. This pack includes 4 durable drain cleaning tools, each 25 inches long. They are designed to fit most standard drain openings, ensuring you have a reliable tool whenever you need it. Our drain snakes are made from a soft, flexible material with multiple barbs. This allows them to easily navigate tight pipes and effectively hook onto hair and debris without causing damage. Engineered for maximum flexibility, these tools can easily bend into P-traps, the common culprit for clogs. They snag and remove blockages efficiently, ensuring your pipes remain clear and clean. Save money by avoiding costly plumber visits and harsh chemicals. These reusable tools are easy to clean and offer a safe, green alternative for maintaining clear drains. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, showers, and toilets, these versatile tools handle a wide range of clogs. They effectively remove hair, food particles, and other stubborn blockages, making them an essential home cleaning tool. What we like. This pack offers excellent value with 4 flexible, barbed wands designed to easily navigate strainers and P-traps. Its multi-tooth design effectively hooks and removes hair and debris without damaging pipes. If you need a budget-friendly, reusable solution for regular drain maintenance and want something that can bend into tricky pipe shapes, this is ideal. What people say. The hook is very effective at grabbing hair and debris from the drain. It's long enough to reach deep into most drains and flexible enough to navigate bends. The design allows for easy cleaning of shower drains and sinks. Number 3. RamPro 36 Snake Drain Clog Remover and Grabber Tool. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs in your sink, shower, or bathtub. This tool is designed to effectively remove hair and other blockages, restoring proper drainage. Its extendable and flexible design allows you to easily reach and retrieve items from the hardest corners and narrow spaces. It's perfect for getting those lost objects under appliances or in tight spots. This versatile tool also functions as a dryer vent cleaner and a handy grabber. It's ideal for picking up small objects that magnets can't, making it a truly multi-purpose solution. Constructed with a sturdy steel spring and a rust-resistant wound steel cable, this tool is built to last. The comfortable grip handle ensures ease of use, even for extended periods. With retractable claws that extend and spread, it securely grips items for easy retrieval. It can lift objects up to 1 pound, making it effective for a variety of tasks. From kitchen and bathroom drains to retrieving dropped items, this tool is your perfect plumbing and general-purpose companion. It's designed for maximum mechanical control and accessibility. What we like. This tool is more than just a drain cleaner, it's a versatile grabber with an extendable arm and claws. Its flexible steel cable allows it to reach into narrow, bent places to retrieve dropped items or clear clogs. If you often find yourself dropping small objects in hard-to-reach places or need a tool that can both clear drains and pick up lost items, this is the one for you. What people say. The sock was wedged in the hose so tight that it was causing the hose to bulge and separate. Had it been pushed any further it likely would have tore the hose. Only option was trying to pull it out, and sure enough, within minutes the sock was out. Sink cleared within moments. I pulled probably a whole head worth of hair out of it, and I am absolutely baffled. This grabber worked when nothing else did. When removing a drain plug from a basement shower stall it came apart and a good-sized piece went down the drain and was stuck right where the drain pipe curves. It really slowed down drainage during a shower. A vacuum hose, a bent hanger and various other homemade tools didn't work to grab a hold of it. This did it. The combination of it being bendable and that grabber on the end enabled me to get it gripped and pulled out. Number 2. Drainsoon Clog Remover, 4-pack. Are you constantly battling stubborn clogs in your sinks, showers, or tubs? It's time to say goodbye to frustrating drain blockages. This innovative tool is designed to tackle even the toughest hair clogs. Its flexible design allows it to reach deep into your pipes. With its convenient grip handle, using it is a breeze. Simply insert, twist, and pull out the mess, restoring proper drainage in no time. Whether it's your kitchen sink, bathroom shower, or bathtub drain, this tool is your go-to solution. It effectively removes hair and other debris. Stop wasting money on expensive plumbers or harsh chemicals. This affordable and reusable drain opener will keep your plumbing clear and functional. This value pack comes with 4 drain snakes, ensuring you always have one ready when needed. Keep one in each bathroom and the kitchen for convenience. What we like. This set provides 4 easy-to-use drain cleaning tools with a convenient grip handle. Their flexible design allows them to effectively remove hair and debris from sinks, showers, tubs, and toilets. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward, and affordable solution for everyday clogs in multiple areas of your home, this pack is a practical choice. What people say. Unlogged all the hair in the shower. I didn't even have to remove the shower cap. It was able to fit through the sides. I got all kinds of hair out of a drain in a bathroom sink that was draining slowly. Much better now. Easy to use, and it works. These puppies are so darn good at gripping those nasty little fuzzballs preventing the water from flowing, it's wild. These strips evict those Wookiees with impressive efficiency, regardless of how long they've been claiming squatters' rights. The plastic band is flexible to make its way through the buildup but strong enough to really grab a lot of debris and hold it while you're trying to negotiate it out. The handles are strong and make it easy to get a good grip. Number 1. Drainsoon 25-foot Drain Auger. Introducing the Drainsoon 25-foot Drain Auger, your ultimate solution for stubborn clogs. Its flexible steel cable reaches deep into pipes to effectively remove blockages. Designed for your comfort, this tool features an ergonomic pistol grip for easy handling. The flexible spring allows for efficient clog removal, and detailed instructions guide you through every step. This professional-grade tool is perfect for a variety of household drains, including kitchen sinks, bathtubs, and bathroom drains. Its adjustable length adapts to different pipe depths for comprehensive clog clearing. Built to last, it comes in a durable ABS drum housing for easy storage and long-term use. The carbon steel spring is protected within the drum, keeping your workspace tidy. Say goodbye to expensive plumbers and harsh chemicals. This reusable drain auger safely and effectively clears clogs, saving you time and money on household maintenance. It's a reliable and reusable tool that handles common clogs caused by grease or disposals. Keep your drains flowing smoothly without constant professional help. What we like. This professional-grade auger offers a substantial 25 feet of heavy-duty spring steel cable, allowing it to reach deep into pipes and clear stubborn clogs beyond the trap. Its ergonomic pistol grip ensures comfortable handling during extended use. If you frequently deal with deep or tough clogs in sinks, bathtubs, or main drains and want a robust, reusable tool for long-term use, this is an excellent investment. What people say. It literally took me all of 10 minutes if that, to clean the drain. There's no backup at all. This is definitely great for small drain issues. It's flexible enough to reach deep into the drain and pulls out a surprising amount of hair. The little barbs grabs everything without damaging the pipe. After reviewing many choices, because of its design and durability, this snake worked in the same manner that the electronic versions have worked when I hired plumbers. The key to any plumbing snake is the length. The longer the better because of the reach. In my case it was enough because of bendability, design, and speed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.